Good morning. I'm Alex Tinsler. Welcome back to Kill Outdoors. And welcome back to the next installment in Deer Dog Racing 3/4 Division. Part 3 today, y'all. Part 3. Y'all see in the last episode, I won the belt from Market Barry. Today I'm going out here to defend that title against Ronald Coles. A man that's highly respected in the dog community. But we're going to get out there. We're going to see what happens. Got the belt with me. Hopefully, they'll be riding home with me. Stay tuned. That Tina. That's, what's that, Draco? The brown dog. That's Tina right there. That deer never crossed, did it, Margie? No. We need to go back. Which one? I don't know what the deer did here. You better get back up there with it. Oh, shit. Huh? Yep, Draco. Oh, look, they're running him down. They're running him down. They're running him down. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hey, they running him down, though.
I was about to tell you that, but I didn't want you to put it on the chat. I
I was just trying to get my Young Buck membership. That's all. You recording me, DJ?
Yes, sir. You live, baby.
Hey, we live. And look, how many crosses? We caught 3 crosses this morning. Really caught like 5. I was 3 out of 2. But look, check it. Out of 3, Ronald was in front. 2 out 1. He was clearly in front. The other one, you know, he got it. His dog crossed the road for us. So he, man, my word, it's the belt going around the cold. It ain't over though. Y'all should have seen this chase.
You held that. You held that upside down like Keith Curry just
hold
now.
on. But let me. Come on, man.
You heard me for the last time, son.
Yes, sir.
Run this morning.
Hey.
All jokes aside. Them motherfuckers puncher did this morning, son.
Y'all.
They were battling.
Yes, sir.
Sitting here with the winner, folks.
Hell do y'all think
Ronald Coles.
This what we do. This what we do.
Hard but failed.
Let me tell y'all something. Ain't no anybody gonna mess with us. None of us. Come on back. Ain't no anybody gonna come up here and pick on that hunting, fishing, and fact check. I can tell you that now.
Said if you want some, bring it on.
That's right.
Well, as you can see, Ronald Coles, you are the man today. He got the belt. It was tight running all day. I mean, they battled. A lot of the footage, I didn't even get on video. I mean, we were looking that hard because the dogs were running that close. But Ronald came out on top, so congratulations to him. And y'all stay tuned because it's just getting started. We got more people moving up in the 3/4 class to run. So you start seeing some new faces, hearing some new names, and hopefully some better footage. So y'all enjoy, like, and subscribe.